Alright guys, so today let's do Leetcode 102 binary tree level order traversal. So this problem is uses an algorithm that is very frequently tested in interviews. It's called BFS, breadth first search. So in this problem we are given a binary tree. So we want to return the in-order traversal. That means not in-order traversal, but level order traversal. So the first level, which is 3, so we put 3 here. The second level is 9, 20, then we got 9, 20. The third level is 15, 7, and we got 15, 7. So let's see how we solve this problem. Let's draw a binary tree. So this is 3, 5, 6, 8, 1, 4, 9. Okay, so we have a binary tree like this. So we want to return the level order traversal. So firstly we go to level 1. So we put 3. Then we got to level 2. So we have 5 and 6. Then we got to level 3. Number 8, 1, 4, 9. So this is the answer. So in order to do this, we need to use BFS. So in BFS, we use a queue, and of course it is reasonable because we want to firstly append the root, and then output the root first. So that's first in, first out. So so we have a queue. We have a queue here. Then firstly we append the root, which is 3. Okay, we append 3 here. So now the queue equals 3. Let's draw a queue. Okay, should be something like this. Okay, so firstly we put 3 in it, then we pop it out, pop 3 out, then 3 is out of the queue, pop 3 out, and append it into a result. And then we that's the first thing we do. The second thing we do is to append the left and right tree to the queue. So we append 5 and then append 6. Then we remove 5 and 6, and at the same time, not remove 5 and 6, pop 5 out, and then pop 6 out, and at the same time, when we pop 5 out, at the same time we append the left of 5 and then the right of 5. When we pop 6 out, we append the left of 6 and the right of 6, and then we pop them one by one. Then we got got the third level. So let's try to implement this algorithm. Okay, let's make the font a little larger so that we can see it clearly. Maybe move it here. So the edge case is if not root, we should return. So like what we said, we need to define a queue. So queue equals collect start. In Python we use dequeue. So we should firstly append the root to queue and while queue. So in this while loop we need to do two things. We need to do two things. Actually, this is not only for this problem, but for all BFS algorithm, we always do two things in the while queue loop. The first thing is to deal with or to manipulate this level, and the second thing is to append the next level nodes to queue. So the first thing is to deal with this level. So for this level, we have s equals length of queue. We have a lot of, for this level we have two elements in the queue, so we need to iterate these two elements. So we say for in range length. So we iterate this queue and we pop it out. Queue dot pop. Use it. Firstly we pop 5 out. Then of course we need to put 5 to the result. So here the level result should be level dot append current node dot value. Okay, so that's the first thing we do. The second thing we do is to append the next level to the queue. So that means when we pop 5 out, we want to append the left of 5 and the right of 5. So if current node dot left queue dot append dot left, if current node dot right queue dot append current dot right, then we append level to result. It should be noted that we should not use append. Oh no, we should use append instead of using dot append level. So we should use append instead of use plus. Okay. So if we use plus, that will give us this result. That will give us 3, 9, 20, 15, 7 instead of the right result. Okay. So then we return result. So that will be good. Let's go over the algorithm again. So we define a queue and append root to queue. While queue, first we deal with this level. Level length for all the nodes, all the nodes in the length in the queue. The current node equals pop left, then level should append the value, and then append. Then the second step is to append the next level to queue, which is current node left, then append left, the right append right, and then result the appended level. Then return result. I think that's good. Let's submit it. Good. Good. So this is all for today. So remember, Leetcode 102 binary tree level order traversal is a very, very typical tree traversal using BFS example. And in order to really understand BFS in trees, we should really understand how to proceed this this problem. So if you really like my video, please give me a big upvote, and maybe you can subscribe it or share it with your friends. So this is Jimmy, and I'm a physicist, and let's Leetcode with a physicist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.